Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2015 GMC Sierra. Let's start right away up front. On the front end you have factory fog lamps, easy access heavy-duty tow hooks, front parking sensors will keep you very safe. You also have a chrome bumper and grille, as well as chrome wheels. Those are 20-inch chrome wheels. Looking at the tread on the tires. Running boards on the side. Inside, leather interior. The seats are very clean all the way throughout. There's no rips or stains on any of the seats. You do have a sunroof up top. One more look down the passenger side, then we're going to swing around to the back end. You have a factory trailer hitch as well as rear backup sensors and a camera. Spray-in bed liner keeps the bed very safe. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, four-wheel drive controls, cruise, heated steering wheel, audio and Bluetooth mounted here. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo, dual climate controls, and dual heated seats. Down here you have 3 USB ports and a regular plug so you can charge any devices that you have. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see the Sierra on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck, all at holidayautomotive.com.